Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today this video is very much important to all those persons who are working on Merchant Navy and all those persons who wants to join Merchant Navy in future. Because if you want to work on Merchant Navy, then you must have a DigiShipping profile. So today in this video I am going to tell you how to make DigiShipping profile, and after a few days on my next video I will tell about how to make correction in DigiShipping profile. So before watch this video, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.
Mozilla Firefox for this, because like if you are going to do it Google Chrome or any other browser, it might not support, because Mozilla Firefox is like some plugins are there in browser, so Mozilla Firefox is support these plugins. So please use Mozilla Firefox to register and browse your DigiShipping profile. So now I already redirected to the digishipping.gov.in. So you can see the e-governance. E-governance, you should go and click on e-governance. It will redirect this page. Now in the left side, left upper corner, you can see new user, forgot password, view registration status and seafarer registration. So click on the seafarer registration. Here you put your Windows number and date of birth. So here I cannot, because I have already made. So after that, fill it up. You will get the page to fill your email IDs and your contact number and all. Then you can get your password in your email ID. Basically password consists your Windows number followed by 1. That you can change it later if you want to. So let's redirect to my account. See, now put your user ID and password and login. See, this is my profile, right? So now you can do update seafarer profile. This all the personal details you can check, you can fill it up and all. Seafarer details, this is the column and all the details over here. Now educational qualification, here you can check your educational qualification. You can go your 10th, 12th, your graduation and all the fill you need to fill over here. You can see the cursor, you can fill it over here and you can add. See, already I've added everything. So that is the thing. Then you can go your professional training status details. Here you can put your college details, right? You can go to this tab, you can search over here like Tolani you can type and search. See, Tolani Maritime Institute. Then you can put everything and add. Same. Now modular courses, basic HTCW, right? Like see, all the courses what I have done already updated over here. So course number, like firefighting, so you just need to type firefighting, search. You can get all the type of firefighting courses available. So you can select, it will come automatically. HTTW code you don't need to put manually, it will come automatically. Then training institution, see, you can search same thing, same way you need to, then add, it will add automatically. Then you can do another course add. Then seagoing service, same, which all ships you have done, your all the specification, official number, each you need to put and update. Now post CE training details. That thing basically for the NCB candidate, master, extra master, that you don't need to do. Like for I'm telling about second mate candidates. If you have done chipmate, then you can do chipmate function and all. See all the courses. Post. See if you have done, you can update like that. There is only 10 courses for NCB also, and the foundation, the DNS candidates. For BSc, this is not required basically. Now come to onboard training details. This is for also our DNS candidates, the SSTP. After getting a SSTP, you can fill this thing up here. Okay. Now certificates. Rating certificate. If you are from crew background, you need to put your certificate. Then certificate of endorsement. If you have done any tanker courses, then you put here your GMDSS endorsement, your DC for tankers you can put. Then the documents, the authorized documents. See my passport series and indoors already I have put. So these are the three. SID means your CDC only, so you can do. Here you can upload your documents, your photo and your signature. Okay, please make sure, like from guidelines only I'm telling, upload your latest photo and signature in every 5 years. And this thing, click to view print profile, that will tell you later. The master checker, this is very important thing. See, everything is given. Your medical certificates, your GMDSS details. After getting endorsement, you will get it. Your C service details, your trading details. Master checker basically you don't need to do anything by yourself. It will be done by your company, your training institute. They will update this thing. Okay, this is mailbox, not required. And see main menu, you can come back to home page. So now I'm going to tell about this click and view printer profile. You can simply click, then you can download. The download button is there, you can click it. So you can download the PDF and you can take print out. It looks like that only, each and every details. See, like that. Okay, that's it, and you can log out from here.
So guys, this is the full procedure to how to make a DigiShipping profile. So next video I will upload how to make correction in DigiShipping profile. So to watch that video, stay tuned on my channel by pressing subscribe button over here down and press the bell icon. Thank you. Bye.